Hello everyone, I'm currently sitting on one of Jewel's moons, Laythe. It has a breathable atmosphere so planes can actually fly. That's why I've decided to make this F-22 Raptor capable of flying from Kerbin all the way to Jewel all on its own. Kind of. Jebediah, you are going to Jewel, the Interplanetary F-22 Raptor. Holy shit! Thrust is going down. And to switch to liquid fuel. Wait, no, that's not liquid fuel, it's wet. We're in space. Fire up the engines. Let's circularize around Kerbin. That's pretty circular. Now, you might be wondering how we're gonna get all the way to Jupiter and then land on Laythe with 600 delta V. That's impossible, isn't it? You see, that's the same question American engineers asked when they said, how the fuck can we get from the US all the way into Afghanistan without landing? Well, you see, they came up with a very interesting solution: aerial refueling. They strapped a little penis on top of a cargo jet, and then they fly the cargo plane above the plane they want to refuel, stick their penis into it, and and refuel the craft. We are going to do the exact same thing. So let's go back to the Space Center and design our craft. Our best Kerbal engineers have designed the shitfuck fueler 2. Don't ask what happened to the shitfuck fueler 1. We have Orbit. Holy shit, Bob. Yeah! Oh shit, no. Bob? Bob, come on, Bob. Bob. Oh shit. The basic thing is, we want the cargo plane to refuel the plane in space. The problem, the cargo plane cannot get to space, so we just strapped a giant fucking rocket to it and launched it into space. System go for launch. 3, 2, 1. Lift off! Going supersonic. Starting orbital turn. Jettisoning with the rockets. We're in orbit! Yes! Prepare for separation. Holy shit. Opening the cargo bay. Start up the engines. And we can start our correction burn. We have a very, very similar orbit. Oh! To target the refueler and kill our relative velocity. With a very precise. We're closing in. Oh, I haven't deployed the solar panels. Oh no, that's not good. Okay. Let's target from here. Deploy the penis. Oh shit, it's not going well. Kiss, come on, kiss. We have contact! Let's fucking go! Orbital refueling, let's go! Okay, now we need to actually refuel now. Please go in. Oh, we're running out of sunlight in the cargo bay. These ones as well. It's time to go. Let's retract that. It is time to part ways. Okay, so we've run into another problem. The F-22 does not have enough delta V to get to Jewel. We're gonna add more fuel. We can fit more fuel in here if we wanted to. We need to put an engineer into orbit and attach more fuel. So new mission now. Shit, fuck. Refueler 3. Yeah. We are docked. Okay, let's see. Oh no, what's going on? Oh shit, oh, I accidentally pressed the boosters. It's going into the maneuver. It's... Oh no! The perfect plan. Bro! Oh my god. Where is it? Oh, that is so beautiful. I think I got it. Holy shit. Oh no, that's not good. Holy shit, we've done it. We gotta find somewhere with daylight. We can't land here. Oh my god. It's so beautiful. Coming into land. Lower the landing leg. Let me try and land at this peak. Shit. Oh, that's a rough landing. Brake, 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 brake. Bro, holy. That's a thumbnail right there, bro. Oh, why are you in the ground? What happened? We're here. That's the end. And goodbye.